Now, this is such an important formula to memorize. We have a little song to help you remember it. It goes by Handel's Alleluia chorus. So it goes, SOH CAH TOA, SOH CAH TOA, learn it and use it. SOH CAH TOA, sine is opposite over hypotenuse. SOH CAH TOA, SOH CAH TOA, learn it and use it. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. SOH CAH TOA, SOH CAH TOA, learn it and use it. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. SOH CAH TOA, SOH CAH TOA, finish it up. SOH CAH TOA. Now, let's apply that to a problem. I'm going to use the triangle listed below. I want to express the sine of angle L as a fraction and as a decimal rounded to the nearest hundredth. So the sine of angle L, now remember, sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So I'm going to say the sine of angle L, the opposite of angle L is 12, and the hypotenuse is 37. Now, as a decimal, let's use my calculator. I'll take 12 divided by 37. Here we go. Sorry, I don't know why it's so slow. So I'll take 12 divided by 37. We get 0.32. Because you're divided by the hypotenuse, sine is always going to be a decimal number, less than 1, because you're divided by the biggest side. Now we'll take a look at the cosine of angle L. The cosine of angle L is the adjacent over the hypotenuse. I think I'll write that. So adjacent over hypotenuse, CAH. So your adjacent side is 35, and your hypotenuse is 37. Then as a decimal, that'll be 35 divided by 37. And that would be 0.95, we round it. If we take a look at example 3, I want to express the tangent of angle L as a fraction. So the tangent of L is TOA, so it's opposite over adjacent. So in this case, it's 12 over 35. Then as a decimal, I'm going to take 12 divided by 35. And you get 0.34. So 0.34. On example 4, we're going to switch angles. Let's do the sine of n as a fraction. So the sine of angle n, sine is so it's the opposite divided by the hypotenuse. Well, the opposite of angle n is 35. The hypotenuse is 37. Oh, we've seen that before, haven't we? 35 divided by 37 is 0.95. That's because cosine is actually an abbreviation. Cosine means the complement sine. So the sine of angle n and the cosine of angle L are always going to be the same.